all of you that came here to trade and learn scalping. It is our trading session, and we'll start from our live trades that we have right now at this moment. Remember that during this stream, we will cover with you topics like how to use DOM footprint, why it's so important, how to find good trading situations with low stop loss and huge potential reward. Best what you can do at this moment on a platform where you watch the stream, just share with me about audio and video quality, and we'll start. Awesome. Hello friends, I see your comments. Let's do this one. When you watch the stream, share with me about audio and video quality. That would be really important because I will see your feedback, because for me it's really important that you enjoy this, that we have fun and we learn together. And as you know, I'm not a native speaker in English, and for all of you, I have only one ask. Share with me some phrases that would sound really awesome if I would start pronouncing it, especially if you're a native speaker, because we have people from different places. And also introduce yourself. For example, Joy, Daniela, Silver, guys, happy to see you here, guys and girls. And also share a few words about where you're from. It's also interesting to see our how worldwide community we have. Okay, let's start. First, we start from our XLM trade. At this moment, we are already in a position. Have a look what's going on. A few minutes ago, on XLM, we opened a trade. Pay attention to this significant order in spot futures market of XLM coin. Pay attention. 2,800,000 coins. Remember that, friends, that I'm not a greedy man, and I share this signal with people that are in our free channel, free signals channel. And all of the scalping trades at this moment we share with people. 87% of people like what we share. Some of them don't like scalping. That means only 7% unsuccessful rate. I think it's awesome that mostly people really enjoy what we share. And you can be here, the link below this video. Below this video you'll find the second link. Get free alerts in our private Telegram group. Just open and that's it, because it is a private channel, and to get inside you must be allowed. And at this moment we have a goal to accumulate 10,000 people, and after that to make it paid. That means first 10,000 people will join for free. Okay, have a look what's going on. We just took this beautiful XLM trade. We took a trade before this significant size, and we keep it. Why this trade is really interesting? Because pay attention to bigger time frame. What's going on? If this trend line will be broken, that means, my friends, if this trend line will be broken, that means potential profit could be even bigger, 5, 6%, 7%. Also, if you have any significant questions at this moment, you also will ask me. Okay, let's read. And remember, when you push like, my dear, it is really important when you push like, because a lot of people will get recommendation about this live on YouTube. That's why your like, it is maybe that additional 4 or 5 people will watch it, and it's really important for us. Okay, let's start. Okay, we started. And let me send it into our Discord. We also, friends, at this moment, before we will cover a lot of trades ideas, I would like to ask with you, we have private Discord group where we share trade ideas, live meetings with people, teach, educate them. And at this moment, we are thinking about allowing people join our community only by opening account on exchange by our link, because exchange can share fee with us, and from our side we can help people with ideas, trade signals, education, and all of that stuff. Share with me in the comments how many of you would be interested in such offer, because if a lot of you would be interested, we will start sharing it. Okay, let's start really important stuff. Okay, XLM, let me close this. Okay, XLM, let's open trading new chart on XLM and see what's going on. Okay, my dog sends salute to all of you. Hello from, okay, let me read your comments, friends. Let me read your comments. Bora, stop barking. Okay. Roy, hello from Lebanon. Roy, once more, I have a friend, he lives in UK, and he also from Lebanon, and he really awesome man, and a lot of good people from Lebanon. Moslavic, hello from Croatia. We're nearly close to each other. Silver, I'm from Estonia. Estonia, our friends, thank you, Estonian people, for big support of Ukraine. Eleven from Croatia, hello from Bulgaria, hello from Lebanon, hello friends. Salute to biggest dog. Yeah. I'm Kim from Indonesia. Kim, by the way, what's time in your country? What time is in your country at this moment? It's interesting. Hello from Kenya, hello from Kabul, Afghanistan. I see that we have United Nations here all together. Remember to push like. Okay, let's go on. I know that most of you came here to do live trades, and what we have at this moment. We just opened a trade on XLM coin. What's the idea? XLM coin, significant size in DOM appeared few minutes ago. Significant size appeared in a DOM. Also, that size appeared before the significant trend line. That means we have double confirmation. If this idea succeed, potential profit in this case could be amazing, could be huge. Plus, at this moment, pay attention to what's going on. Let's open double. Plus, pay attention that at this moment volume increased. Have a look what's going on at this moment in DOM of XLM futures market. Volume increased from 300, 400, increased to 1 million, 1,600,000 is really good for potential breakouts. That means if breakout succeed, we will start booking part of our trade. As you can see, this part, it is a DOM. It calls the DOM, depth of market. Why it's so important for us? Because beauty of depth of market, we can see pending orders of whales. Because everyone that said pending order, open a trade, everything of this appears in a footprint and DOM. That's our positive advantage compared to all retail traders on the planet, because mostly when retailers do, they do all these trades by technical analysis, and I also did it, and technical analysis have one negative side, that it's the same as you play poker against a man that see all your cards. And yes, it's possible to win sometimes, but still it's not the best approach in trading. That's why I think DOM, it is a really good solution, especially for those of you that do scalping trades. Because, for example, like in this case, my stop loss, my stop loss will be approximately 0.8. In this case, my stop loss will be 0.15%. That means if price will give only 1.5% rise. It is 1 to 10 risk reward. I need only 40% win rate to make money on this approach. That means I don't need to be, when some people write to me on trading, you have only 50% win rate. Guys, when I have 50% win rate, I make fucking big money. That means it is just mathematical approach, that's it. I don't pretend that it is the best one on the planet. If you like, I'm happy to help you with all other with all questions. We have a lot of free tutorials, and remember about offer for those of you that open account by on Binance or Bybit if you are from country where Binance forbidden, and will trade. We have offer to give you free access to community. And for me, it's important to hear about more people, how many people would be interested in this. Zakir, follow your respect from Pakistan. Thank you. Thank you, Zakaria. Thank you, Zakaria. Adrian, hi from Romania. Roy, I'm late. I didn't take the trade. At what price you look at? Can it take it now? Roy, those of you that pay attention to XLM, yes, it's still possible to take a trade, but don't put all your trading volume, because price at this moment already rose by 0.35% from this significant size. That means if your working volume 10,000 at this moment, you can put 20% here. Additional 30% you can put at 1160 as 1160.05 as a limit, and rest you should set before this big size, because it will make your stop loss is really so teeny, and that's it. How many of you were on a previous live session? How many of you remember how we did beautiful trades during previous session and all of them reached our take profits? For me, it's interesting to hear. Okay. Hello guys, hi Yuri. This is Fabio from Rome. Second time trading your live subscribe. Cheers, mate. Fabio, by the way, tell me please about previous session, especially for people that were during previous time. How beautiful trades we took on previous time, and for me it's important, friends, to hear from you what's the most important for you during such live trading session. For example, explanation how we took a trade, to some anecdotes, a good mood, something like that. Remember to share it with me, because I really happy when you enjoy this stream. We must enjoy together. We did sexy amount of money together. Fabio, pleasure to hear. It was lots of fun. Smart hustle. Awesome. Okay, good. Friends, at this moment still XLM, it's possible to take a small trade. Stop loss height below this significant size. That means stop loss must be 0.11.582 or 11.581. It must be a place where you hide your stop losses. Okay, let me make it bigger a little bit. Let's briefly cover what's going on with Bitcoin. Yesterday also, remember how yesterday we smashed the Bitcoin trade, the same with all people. I shared about Bitcoin. Have a look. Bitcoin yesterday, significant size appeared at 1232. I wrote significant size at 22,600. After that, we took a trade. I wrote to people to close part. At the night, it hit my break even. It's really shit, because I book only 20% of my trade, $47. And at this moment, it rose really amazing. Have a look on that trade. Where is it? Bitcoin. As you know, traders sometimes they are not thankful people, and for me it was the same yesterday, because have a look. We took a trade yesterday. I took the trade. It was my average price here. I closed small part here, and biggest part were taken by break even, but by fucking break even. And have a look, exactly at bottom they took my break even price, did significant pullback. And today what Bitcoin did? Yes, today Bitcoin do beautiful rising, and at this moment I think Bitcoin can go on, especially if after this candle there would be squeezing up, there could be additional rise, because for me it looks that Bitcoin is still strong. We have a look. We have higher lows. It's really good for us. And let's cover liquidation data, because normally price go rising until there would be significant short sellers liquidations, and I can even explain to you why it's so important. Only 2 days, 27 and 18 short sellers liquidation, 200, 300, not much. We need at least 2-3 billions. Alexander, hello everyone, thank you for stream, Yuri. Alexander, happy to see you here. Did you attend this live meeting previous time? Friends, I see that more than 52 people here. Remember to push like, it's really important. I am an outsider and I can perfectly understand what he is saying. So hard to watch, too fast. Okay. How many of you took this XLM? Let's be with XLM. Okay, at this moment priority at this moment I think priority must be up, because Bitcoin for me looks bullish. Bitcoin bounced from big size yesterday, and at this moment every attempt to drop fails, and even if after this significant volume Bitcoin fails to continue down, Bitcoin starts squeezing up, that's really bullish signal. Even this short tail, it could be short sellers liquidations. Have a look, even local key level breakup. If Bitcoin continues squeezing up, there would be additional rise. Remember, when Bitcoin rising, far better to look for patterns that for rise, and also watch all of this stuff. At this moment we are inside significant value area. At this moment what's really important for Bitcoin to do is to break the significant value area. How many of you understand what is value area? Pay attention to this value area and another value area, and at this moment price slowly squeezing to this value area. That means people that are in a position that build, for example, short position, they can start getting out by break even, something like that. And when you close short, you take long. Always on futures market, especially to close a trade, you do opposite to what you have. If you have short, to close it you do long. If you have long, to close it you must short. That's it. They're always turnover. Hey man, regarding the BTC trade yesterday, I didn't enter because price never reached 22. It only went to. I often don't understand when exactly enter a trade and where to set stop loss and take profit. 11, write please your name. I'll explain all of this. XLM, it's in my order book, but it bounced before reaching our buy limit. I'll explain. Closed already. Sure, and like would decide to make it weekly. Great stuff. Yes, friends, especially if you will help me, Alexander, especially if you help me and other people help me promote such live streams by your likes and subscribe to channel, I'll do it much often. And friends, I'll explain to all of you about significant sizes and how to open a trade by DOM footprint. And I explained to you, but I need to know your names. Ilya S. Is it your name, Ilya? Hi, my name is Ivan. Ivan. Ivan or Ivan? Okay. When we trade a trading strategy bounce from a size, Ivan and Ilya. Smash Ruslan. Good. Good, friends. When you write your name, it's really important, because for me it's much better to say Ruslan than Merekite Navanka. There are different strategies based on DOM and footprint trading. There are one trading strategy, the most beautiful one that I like the most. It called bounce from a size. How it trades? Imagine a situation like we have on XLM, how we trade bounce from a size. Let's do this practical example explanation for you. Imagine that it is significant size, like on XLM, 2,800,000 coins. And quite often, price will bounce from that size. I will explain in what cases it's better to trade such strategy. And in some cases, price will exactly touch this size. In some cases, price will bounce, for example, 0.1% before size. In some cases, even 0.5% from a size. That's why how you build your position. Imagine that according to this example, your trading volume. If you do scalping, according to risk management, you must have trading volume. I'll record a video lesson soon about that. But still, what is trading volume? It is volume that you enter a position. For example, my working volume, $10,000 for this. It is my normal position. That means I enter a position. I use amount of coins that equivalent of this size. There are also some things that you should remember. And I know that in some cases price will bounce without touch big size. That's why what I do, simple. I build position for a part. For example, at 0.3%, I enter 15-20% of my size. That means from 10,000, I can took 1,500 or 2,000. At 0.1%, I add additional 30%. And rest, for example, additional 50% exactly at size. And that means if price bounce exactly touch the size, I get full position, but my biggest part will be exactly at size, and that means my stop loss will be small. But in a cases when price bounce before size, I still will have some position. It will be smaller. For example, on Bitcoin yesterday, I didn't enter all entire position. I took only nearly 35%. But still, I enter a position and I enjoy even that $48 I withdraw and I spend it today. And in Ukraine, at this moment, it's good money. You can go with your wife in restaurant. Last time our bill in restaurant was even less than $40. That means it's normal money. That's it. That's how you trade bounce from a size. Remember that here in this channel, friends, I cannot write to you where to set stop losses, how to build position. I show you big size. Soon I'll record additional lessons for you how about strategy, bounce from a size and breakout. And those of you that want to learn about this, you will get enough free information to get it. For people that want more, we will do a lot of lessons in our community, and at this moment, as I told you, we have idea to allow people enter a community that open account on exchange by our link. That means even in that case, you also will not need to pay any money to us. Okay, what's going on at this moment? XLM slowly rising. At this moment we are 0.52% in profit. Let's see about this trend line. If this trend line breaks, that could be really interesting stuff. Let me send pending take profits, because it's important to set take profits, because sometimes price can smash and pump really fast, and if you do not set take profit stop losses, price can make big tail up and down, and you are without any take profits. That's why it's so important when you do scalping to set your limit take profits. Let me set some additional take profits at here 1000. Hello Yuri, can you explain how to set a large size in the order book? How much should it be for different currencies? What's your buying price of XLM? Zabur, pay attention that this platform shows you everything. You have a look. It is my average position price 11,601 and my current size and price. Example for you, my friend Ivan. Have a look. Even in this case, the same situation, price didn't touch my biggest part of position. Pay attention. Exactly before size. Pay attention. My biggest limit order exactly nearly before size, and pay attention. 2 ticks from my limit biggest part of position, and price bounced. And at this moment, instead of having 10-12,000 position, I have only 3 or 4. That's example for you how it happens. That's it. Zabur mobile and isn't showing clearly. Okay, I will explain to you. What program is that you are using? Let me send to you name of that program. I sent names of that program into the chat. You can download. And also top platforms. Top 2 platforms for dominant footprint. You can Google this, and we did beautiful articles. We recorded all of these tutorials and all of this. We do a lot of stuff for free. Okay, friends, I need to do some analysis, and after that we will come back to your chat. I see that a lot of you have a lot of questions, but before I would like to find some trading situation before it's too late, because if BTC will pump, that would be pump on a lot of coins. We need to find that. Okay, what's going on? 5.6 BNB futures. Okay, pay attention. At this moment I see a significant size on BNB. Let's open BNB futures market. BNB USDT. BNB futures market, BNB USDT, and BNB spot market. It is a spot market. Or not? Or it was only spoofing? It was spoofing. Yes, friends, if some of you would like to speak with me directly, I have it is my personal social media. It is Instagram. It is my personal social media. Also, I personally work with Twitter. That means on Twitter or Instagram, you can discuss with me. It is a place where you can type. On Twitter, mostly a lot of work do my team, but on Instagram, mostly I do by myself. Okay. Okay, let's. Okay, friends, at this moment I do analysis, and after that I will come back to a chat, and if you have any questions, prepare it or even write, and after that I come back to all your questions. At this moment, once more, we have a trade on XLM. I pay attention to XLM and I watch it on another screen, especially if price will break a trend line. It will be interesting to watch on this. Let's do analysis for big sizes. Is there any another big size that we can trade on DOM? And after that, we will check some trading patterns that we can trade together. Okay. We do for a start DOM analysis for big sizes. At this moment, have a look Bitcoin, not so much. If BNB pumping today really beautifully, we are not here. GMT interesting, quite a lot of levels accumulation. There could be also additional rise, but once more we cover at this moment. I use special service where I analyze significant size in DOM. I think those of you that watch this stream a few times, you saw it, and at this moment, friends, I do it quickly because I want to find some situations that all of us would be able to trade it, because as you can see, market's so volatile, and it would be really interesting to see. CTK, how price beautifully bounced from this size, CVC, no, we need really significant size that can make a change for a DOM of that coin. Ethereum Classic, interesting, have a look. Trend line failed, and at this moment with big possibilities that would be trend line up. If some of you can note, write into a chat about, let's write XLM, Ethereum Classic. Let's, I write into a chat coins that we have at this moment on working list to trade together. That really interesting and beautiful. I add just to that list because, okay, this size were absorbed FLM futures. Feel. Have a look on this local pump, volume increased. At this moment, after that, it's really important to see will price continue squeezing. Because only during bull cycle, after such trap, price continues squeezing and rise. Also, coin already pumped quite a lot. That's why it's interesting, but not the most important, the most interested one. HNT quite often bounce from big size, but there is no big size at this moment on this coin. Key SM 1200 coins at 61. It is how much? If it is 6,000, 60,000, not so much. We need big size. We need 200,000, 300, 500. few millions. For Bitcoin, it's important to have even few billions. Have a look how LRC bounced from this big size today at 3 a.m. It's really beautiful. It's beautiful. It bounced without us. That's why we go to another situation and try to trade. Yuri can move yourself to the left. Yes, friends, I can do it. Let me do it. And I'll do myself smaller because at this moment I think far more important to pay attention more to a chart. Tomo also pumping. How many of you understand what we are doing right now? If you do not understand, remember to ask a question. Have a look. It is our XLM, and main reason why we open a trade on XLM because of the size, and also the size I saw when I opened this coin accidentally by accident. And beauty of this idea, if idea succeed, there could be trend line breakup, and that's why we keep it. It's really interesting. Okay, hello from Greece. Hello my friend. I think we will have European Union here and United Nations. It's really awesome that we have a lot of people from different places, from Africa, Asia, Middle East, Europe, America. America, I mean continents, not like US. CRV. I do it. Okay. Dent. Have a look. 6.64 millions, 56 millions. Have a look, friends. At this moment on Dent, some size appeared, and let's cover. Is it really enough to do something? Coin already pumped. Have a look what's going on. Dent, futures market, 2 limit orders. 55 plus 64, it is 100 millions. 100 millions. 10 millions, 1 millions. It is 100,000. Not much. Can you look at BTC, sir? We will cover BTC. Let me finish with the significant sizes because it is far more important for us. Because if we will find some significant size, we can take more trades together. We will do Bitcoin. Give me additional few minutes. Magic. Mina. Once more, what we are doing, I use special service that helps me to find significant sizes in DOM and footprint. When we find the sizes, as we did with XLM, we put all the sizes into DOM and analyze behavior of the price. And that's it. And after that, we take a trade. Pay attention, Theta spot market. We have a lot of limit orders here. If there would be some additional drop to this area, we could take along nearly the sizes. That's why Theta, we also should Theta add to our working list because it's really important. XMR, have a look. I like XMR because it's so often bounced from significant size. Have a look how today 4.5 down of 100 coins, and have a look how price rose by 5%. At this moment, again, we have significant limit order at 155. At 155, we should pay attention also to this coin. Let me add it on a list, and I would like to have it on a list and analyze XMR. XMR USDT spot market, XMR spot market. Because if that would be retest to that size, there could be potential long. What about bigger time frame about this coin? Slowly in upward channel. GNZ, 1.400 million coins at this local level. Important to pay attention, because if there would be some fast dump, there also could be additional trade. GHZ. Okay, go on. Didex. I don't like this shit when a lot of spoofing. Fil, FIL, also interesting, pay attention. 50k, someone spoofed to this size. Let's open smaller time frame. What's really interesting in this coin, we have this significant limit order. If price squeeze up and start squeezing, there could be potential breakup. That's why FIL also would add to a list. Adam, hello Adam, how are you today? What about your mood? GRT, ICP, link. This pending order, honestly, it is too far. 5%. It is too far for a trade idea. Near 188,000 coins on near Binance spot. What about near? Now, have a look what's going on near, my friends. Near in this range channel, and near slowly rising. Near really beautiful, and if price will do by any reason some pullback, for example in a night to this size, that could be beautiful long, because have a look on this potential momentum. That's fine. Near we also add on the list. Near. How many of you understand what is working list? How many of you understand? Share with me. It's really important. 188,000. Okay, what else? One, Runa, no. XLM spot market, nothing special. That means our futures idea really good, because it's bad when you have trade on futures market and, for example, spot opposite. BCS pumping. Didex. Once more, I finish with all of the sizes with all of you, and all of you can see how we analyze all of the sizes. And after that, I can. Are all coins you committed for short entry? Edu, what do you mean? Ray? Alexander, you mean the big size on Ray? ROC? Okay. Friends, we at this moment finish with all coins, and we found at this moment only we found significant size only on XLM. That's it, and all other coins near. What else I told you about coins? NIL, FIL, ETC, XLM. There is no additional big sizes that we can take at this moment. That's it. That's why once more, let me come back to trading platform. Whoa. We keep our XLM trades. That's it. Okay. At this moment, we just finished with DOM analysis and did a list. What you do and why it's so important to pay attention to all of these instruments, because when you do scalping, there are stuff that calls preparation for your session, trading session, and you analyze big sizes on coins, you write a list, and I have, for example, let me show to you, I have such screen. Not this one. For example, I showed to you at this moment another screen where I have additional folders where I see all instruments that I add on working list. That's it. And after that, when I trade, I have whole entire screen, and when price approach big size, I immediately can open it. That's why it's so important when you do scalping to have at least several screens. So it will help you. It is not like it must be, but it really makes your life easier. Or you need to have a team that will help you in your journey. Okay, good. Let's come back to your questions, and after that, I'll do some technical analysis of coins. Maybe we will find some other situations. About XLM, friends, we at this moment, at the beginning of this live session, we open long on XLM. Before session started, 14 minutes before session started, have a look. I shared in our free signals channel on Telegram about this trade, and have a look price exactly where at nearly that size, and those of you that do scalping would be able to take a trade. That's why what you can do, I highly recommend you to join this signals channel and share it with your friends, because a lot of free ideas entirely for free, and until 10,000 people you don't pay for this. No one will pay for this. After 10,000 people we will cover. We will start closing it, or we'll do that all other people will join on paid basis. Okay, let's go. At this moment, I read your questions, read your comments, and after that we go on. And can someone also push a price of XLM? It would be really funny if someone would do some significant trades and price would start pumping. Pump! XLM pump! Okay. Tiger don't have mark, unfortunately. Okay, I really love scalping using DOM. I wish there must be something for mark as well. Once more, open that link that I sent to you about mark platform. Tiger at this moment working on mark version, and you can open that link that I sent to you into a chat. And if you open account on Tiger Trade by our link, I can discuss with team of Tiger that they can add you to a list of people that get that platform in first. Okay. Fabio, remember to add me on Instagram if you have something to discuss in personal, like personal. I bought your trading program, very informative. Thanks, my friend. Pleasure. Can see your chart. Yuri, can you move yourself? Did Yuri, can you how do you set up trading light to identify potential trade? Okay. Guglielmo, I hope I pronounce your name really good. About trading light, what I do and why I use it. Honestly, if there would be another platform, for example, if TradingView would do the same service, I would use TradingView, but TradingView don't have it. What this service gives to me? It shows to me big sizes in a DOM, and why it's so important. Especially those of you that open DOM especially those of you that trade on open DOM on exchange, by any exchange, Binance, Bybit, doesn't matter. There are a lot of mess, all disappears, and you cannot trade such orders. They won't help you, price won't bounce from that. That's why for you it's so important to find real players that put their pending orders into the DOM, and price will react on it if that money is real. And when you trade altcoins, it's important to find sizes like this one. We found 3 million coins at price 0.11. It is more than $300,000, one limit order. That means whales shows to you that, man, don't go below. We don't allow you. For me, it's important to find as big a size as possible. There are also some additional stuff that we share in community, some trades and explanations. Like, my friend, I want to share with you a lot of stuff, but also some secrets I would like to keep only for community members. It's so important to see difference between activity in DOM and that size, because why we took a trade on this trade, and why we took a trade on this trade. Because in a moment when I took a trade, 5 minutes, have a look, when we took a trade it was 19:15. 5 minutes trading volume were 300,000 coins, 400,000 coins, 400,000 coins, 440,000 coins. That means this size way lower to our limit order, and that difference makes trading idea good. As big a difference, for example, if we have big size but volume trade really small, that makes a trade even better. Have a look, I published a short trade in our educational channel. Let me show to you. It was AAV trade. Yes, it was this AAV trade. Also, those of you can join our educational channel where we share free lessons, articles, help people with learning all of this stuff. If you important news in crypto, you can also join. Highly recommend you. Send a link at this moment and have a look. It was a trade that I shared with about AAV. We recorded this trade and explained to people. And what you would understand, here, have a look. Pending order 8,300 coins, but average 1 minute 100 coins, 50 coins. That means difference between activity and size huge. And when this difference really huge, activity slow and size big, in that case there would be bounce with bigger possibility, and as bigger difference, a bigger size, you can enter into position. I hope share with me Guillermo. Did you was this answer good for you? Okay, XLM pumping. If price hit our target, we should spend this money. I will withdraw all money and will take my wife to restaurant. And when she hear we are working in our house, we have a working room because we left Kiev when war started, and we were in Carpathian Mountains. At this moment, we rent a house and we have a working room, and she works. Sometimes I speak with some friends and say, guys, if this for example Bitcoin hit take profit, I will take wife to restaurant. And she say, oh yeah, Bitcoin, go okay. Can you look at BTC? Yes, I remember Iskanto when to buy XLM. Iskanto, you missed a trade. Like at this moment you can take this trade, but your risk will be too big, and like it's completely your responsibility. Like man, you should be in our channel. Like have a look. Example for you. Free channel via share signals. XLM yesterday, today. Yesterday, Bitcoin. Have a look. Entirely for free I shared with you. Bitcoin. 12.39 long before big size. And after that, within few minutes, 2 and 19% rise. That means you must be on time. And okay. Can you analyze ETH good for shorts? Ray, we will cover ETH and Bitcoin together. Adam, hello. I'm good. Thank you. Happy to be live trading with you again. I love your live streams. My friend, pleasure. It's really pleasure. Friends, if you enjoy, remember to push like and subscribe on this YouTube channel, because for YouTube it's really important to see how long you watch the video, and do you subscribe and share content with other people, because only in that cases YouTube will promote to other people. And when a lot of people here, I enjoy, and believe me, when I enjoy, you will make good money with me. Yevgen, swimmer, hello Yevgen. Chornik, how are you, bro? I'm good, man. Today I removed my brackets from my teeth, and finally I'm free. Okay, Igor, Bitcoin Cash, hi Yuri, how are you? We will cover. Right. Yuri, how large should be Yanislav Jurkov? Yuri, how large should be amount in order book on scalp? Large amount BTC. Yanislav, about big size, it depends on the coin, because for some coin that size could be even different in different period of time, because oh friends, XLM pumping, but we should delete at this moment our pending order. Said that price didn't take few ticks price from my pending order. Few ticks, but still we must be happy. Have a look at this moment what's going on. Volume increase, that's good for potential breakup. Let's have a look. Remember that our first target is to close part of our XLM position before this level. Nearly that level. Remember to book at least 20-30% of your trade, because it will be already what will be potential profit at that area. It will be already 1.8% with stop loss so small, it's enough to take a trade. At this moment what I do, I would like to close 5% of my position. I have 38,000 5% of my position, it will be 1,515, it will be half, 17 half, 1,700 coins I would like to close, because it is according to my strategy to start booking 1% in area, nearly 1% of profit. That's why at this moment what I do, I just book first part of profit, to cover commissions fee, and to cover like if price would move against us, something can happen, and to be at least at break even. Like if you close 5-10% of your size at this moment, actually you don't make much. Have a look. At this moment we have total net P&L only $2, but we covered all commissions and all of that stuff, and it's good, it's better. Okay. Should I short? We will cover Ethereum and Bitcoin. I'll analyze all of them. SPY, we do crypto, like I don't want SPY It's important, but for scalping not. Like we had big size, we bounced it, we have low stop loss, and if price at this moment reach this area, we already book 40% of our trade, even 50% of our trade. Some of you already will make a few $100 put into your pocket, and that's it. Carlos, what's name of this service again? Carlos again ask, what's the platform is this? You mean this where I see domain footprint? Once more, for domain footprint, I send a link. I just sent again a link, and all of you can watch it. And about free signal channel, I pin that channel that all of you can again join the channel. Okay. Analyze FIL, SHIB, XRP. I will cover. Please tell your setting of Bitcoin audiobook. Johnny Nubora. We will cover Bitcoin. Let's do it together. So everything will be. Where is the accent from? From Ukraine. It is a country in East Europe, close to really tough neighbor. It is like toughest neighbor that ever possible. Maybe in Asia, China even tougher, but for us it is. I got thank you it, yes. Hi brother, I just joined. Should I buy XLM on spot now or not? Abdullah. Friends, as you can see, a lot of you came and asked, should I buy or not? You missed a trade. Wait for another opportunity. Remember, I just pinned in the chat free signals channel where I share such ideas, and you can join that ideas on time. Example for you, like XLM. At 7:16, I sent this signal for free, people joined. Yesterday, Bitcoin. Exactly at bottom, I told people where to buy Bitcoin. And after that, within few minutes, few hours, Bitcoin rose beautifully. And even at this moment, Bitcoin rising from that size. Don't hurry up. Okay, go on. How many of you entered XLM at this moment? How many of you entered XLM? Okay, let's do some technical analysis at this moment. Technical analysis. Let's start from Bitcoin. Okay, let's delete all of this. Pure chart. What we can see on Bitcoin clearly. Bitcoin at this moment in this upward channel. And we have a clear upward momentum at this moment. And there is no signals for trend reversal. And what does it mean? What does it mean, my friends? That better focus for long ideas. Even have a look here. Bitcoin failed to drop. Even there is no any liquidations significant at bottom. Something like this happens only during up cycles. That's it. It's really strange for me. We really started some up cycle. Plus, have a look. Every time when significant volume on Bitcoin appeared exactly at bottom, after that, what Bitcoin did? Rise. Another significant volume at bottom, what Bitcoin did? Rise. Another significant volume at bottom, Bitcoin did local rise. Yes, this rise wasn't significant, but still. Have a look on this significant volume, and volumes honestly increased dramatically on many coins, and that's really interesting because when volume increase at so low prices, in many cases it is a signal that whales started accumulating coins. Example for you on DOT. Have a look. For me, I have a feeling that DOT might pump. Have a look. Coin dropped from this high by 88%. And at this moment, pay attention to this significant volume that exactly at bottom. What does it mean, this volume at bottom? That means people that bought DOT at any price with leverage, what happened to their position? For example, if you buy DOT with only double leverage and price drops by 50%, exchange automatically sell your entire position. And something like this stuff, it calls liquidations, when exchange at the same time sell a lot of positions. And for whales, it is the best time to buy. It's the same as like you have iPhone and someone comes to you, man, you can buy this one with 88% discount. For example, I bought this for 1,000 and someone will come to me and show same for 150. Okay, of course, give it to me. Yeah, I would take it. Do you think, guys, do you really believe that whales buy coins at such highs? Example for you, I always share this example, and some people that watch our streams for bigger period of time, I think you should see this example before you buy any coins, and I want you to start thinking. Have a look, Solana, really popular coin, really good idea, good technology, but have a look on token sale prices. Whales, institutional hedge funds bought, for example, at 4 cents, institutional funds bought 79 million coins. They raised, Solana raised $3 million. Pre-sale is ended. Pre-sale at 22 cents. Raised $5,700,000. And friends, and after that, some people bought this coin at 4 cents and price reached 259. And do you think some whales buy at these prices? No, they don't do it. They do exactly opposite. And that's a problem for retails when they join a market. They think when a lot of people speak with about some project, it is good time to enter. But in reality, it's completely opposite. We even wrote article why crypto is dropping bigger trading. I wrote why crypto is still falling. And Bora gives salute to all of you. Have a look how big volume entered and there is no impulse. It is not good, my friends. Honestly, it's not good. That's why book additional 10% on XLM to be out of any risk. Because it's really strange. Volume increased, but there is no impulse, no any momentum. Just book 5-10% of your position. Good. They took. Just book additional part. Why? Because it would be really sad if that ends with a trap. Because significant volume traded and there is no impulse, no momentum. I don't like this. Have a look. Have a look on this footprint data. Have a look. At this moment, volume increased few minutes ago when we enter a trade. Average 5 minutes volume were 300,000. At this moment, it is more than million, 900,000, 3 millions, 3 millions. It's good for breakout when volume increased, but if there is no reaction while volume increased, it's also bad. That's why let's book part. That's okay to close some part and be out of any risk. Remember that we do scalping, and our first target is to protect our money. Did enter. Slava Ukraini, Mongolia with Ukraine. Happy to hear, my friend. Happy to hear. How important do you think is LC ratio. Long-short ratio, where you mean long-short ratio? Where do you see the data? I think the most important stuff in trading to understand who will pay you for your money, for your trades. Have a look how price making a pullback. And it will be really sad if we will be forced to close the trade with break even or even small loss. That's why just keep it. Maybe the price need additional time to start breakout. I just want you to close part of a trade because I want that all of you will be at least without risk. I would be really happy if we make money, but still for me is the most important target, my first target, that you don't lose money. After that, for me it's important to protect it, like in boxing. Before, if some of you watch boxing, what they tell, protect yourself at any time, protect yourself all the time. Oh my god, this pumped so much. Have a look what's going on BNB. 4,000 coins size on a spot, this size for quite big period of time. There also could be potential bounce. Let's see how it goes, because pay attention to BNB. Average volume traded 2,000, 2,000, 1,000, 1,400, 5,700. If that would be like without this one, it would be really excellent idea. That's why it's like, it is not the best idea. I will not use my full trading size, but still let's try to take additional bounce. And also what's really bad with BNB, that coin already pumped quite a lot. BNB USDT. Friends, remember to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, because when you subscribe and turn on the bell especially, that's really important, because YouTube show it to more people. YouTube like when you share content with other people, and that's the most important for us. About short-long ratio, honestly I don't pay a lot attention for it, because it won't give me a beautiful entry idea. That's why I don't pay quite a lot of attention to that stuff. BNB already pumped by 10%. About this size, friends, have a look. About BNB idea, I would call it like, if you would ask me, Yuri, what's mark out of 10 you would give to this idea, I would give only, for example, 5 of 10, because yes, we have significant size, 4,000 coins on spot market of BNB, but biggest problem that BNB already rose by 10% for whole day. It's quite a lot. And even if we open a trade, our potential goal could be for some rehigh, for example, 2%, not more. That means, have a look, price of BNB really close to 300. At 300 we can take some trade. It is here. We can take long. This trading approach is different compared to XLM, because in this case, significant size not on a futures market, it is on a spot market. That's why for me it's really important that price must test that size. I open a trade only if price exactly reach that big size. Okay, I'm the chosen one, like Neo from the Matrix. I'm new here. How can you learn this type of trading? It's different that you see on other YouTube channel. First, start from this lesson on our YouTube channel. Even below this, stream, you can find this beautiful lesson that calls what's dominant footprint. For all of you, especially for beginners, I highly recommend you to start from this lesson. You should learn for a start what is this. Another one, you can go to our YouTube channel. It is entirely for free for all of you, and there are scalping by DOM footprint, whole this playlist. And when you come here, what you will have first, it is our lives. During these lives, we explain a lot of stuff. You start from this lesson about what's DOM footprint. Here, 2 tutorials for trading platforms. And soon I will record additional free lessons about what trading strategies you can use. And there would be a lot of stuff that will help you. That's why just open and watch. And best what you can do is to subscribe to this channel, because once on Wednesday, I decided to do every Wednesday live meetings, and I give a time for myself 2 months. If there would be at least 200 people that join such trading sessions, we will do it every Wednesday for all of you. Sometimes I can invite friends that speak English for you to show different trading styles, because I have friends that also trade such approaches, and they also really interesting people. Biggest problem that they mostly speak Ukrainian language, and I will like I force them to study English to help you to introduce clearly and beautiful. Okay, BNB, pay attention to this 4,000. Abdul, Yuri, should I buy BNB at 300? I have $1,200. Abdullah, I didn't give a signal to buy BNB, something like this. We do scalping. Our goal to open a trade for a few minutes, take 1, 2, 3, 5% rise, close the trade and go to sleep without any headache, something like that. That's it. Beauty of scalping, you don't keep trades through a night. You don't hurry up, you don't scare, you don't thinking, will Bitcoin change a trend? Will be there some Chinese stuff like with Taiwan? You don't think about this. You close the trade and after that you sleep like a child. That's the beauty of scalping. That's it. It is a type of trading. Okay, XLM isn't pumped. And about coins, have a look. Have a look, friends. When I would like finish to you this article about that whales do not buy coins at high. Have a look on Shiba Inu. Like October 31, Times Square, this post. And where price of Shiba were at that time? Yes, exactly at high. On TradingView, I told a lot of people, it is my TradingView, and I told a lot of people, guys, get out. Like October 27, Shiba Inu repeated Dogecoin history, watch it and fix your profit. And another example, when especially some dumb people without any education, without any experience, explain to you like this one guy, that's it, I'm going all in Cardano. And have a look. Have a look. Exactly at high. Whales works completely differently, and if this guy would work for a hedge fund, I don't know, like if we would find him alive, because it's not serious. That's why just read this. That's why just read this article when you will have time. Okay, we have some spammers here. What we do with spammers? Yes, we hide from a channel. Do you think you will be spamming here? Okay. XLM we still keep. We keep XLM, keep BNB. Okay, let's do. Okay, guys, share with me questions. Share with me some questions that we should analyze at this moment. I remember a lot of you asked me about Bitcoin and ETH. Let's do BTC and ETH analysis together. And after that, we will cover, maybe there would be some additional situations that we can trade. I would move my trading platform on another screen to see what's going on, because BNB really close to a size, and price at this moment 0.5% from a size. I don't want to open a trade at this moment because risk reward is bad. Only at big size it's worth to take it. Okay, about Bitcoin, at this moment we have a little bit different cycle, because pay attention to this significant size exactly at bottom. Significant liquidation happens, especially when people spoke about Celsius liquidation. And we are in this upward channel. I think this upward channel, after that, there must be some area, for example, price rise to some area. After that, there could be something like this. And only after breakout some white channel, I think only a bull market can start. A lot of people at this moment tells that bull market cannot start during, for example, war time, something like that. But honestly, I'm from Ukraine, and I see a situation inside, but Ukrainian war, for it impacts the food market, it impacts oil market, because Russia, it is 10% of global oil generation. But in other cases, there is no more impact. And during Afghanistan war that United States started, stock market only rose. American stock market only rose. During Vietnamese war, stock market only rose. If United States Fed money supply, there one stuff, Fed money supply. Let's do M2. Fed money supply. Let's open M2. This stuff I learned when I was in university. It calls money supply. What's money supply? It is all money in economy. It is cash that you have, you pay. Also money, it is bonds that government created. It also money. Even stocks, it's also a money. All the security is M0, it is cash. M1, it is cash and deposits. And the M3, it is all entire money in economy. And have a look. At this moment, finally, they stopped printing money since February 22, and even started to decreasing their books. If these numbers will start increasing again, I can bet that even if there would be some bad stuff outside, with big possibilities this will continue rise. I understand that interest rates in US also impact on all of this. Like, it's some people with economy degree, we can like discuss about all of this stuff. But still, if money supply will increase, after US will start increasing their rates and they stop, I think some part of money could again move into crypto. And even if there would be like war in Ukraine, it's big, it's bad for African countries because Ukraine were biggest food supplier. For Europe, it's bad because Russia sold cheapest oil and gas to Europe to make Europe dependent on Russia. And it was their program since Soviet Union. And they did big bad. Even former Chancellor of Germany, Schröder, Even this guy, former chancellor of Germany, after when he when this guy like stopped being chancellor, prime minister in UK, in other countries, he started working in some companies that connected to Russia. It's like Russian oil companies with salary $1 million per year. That's why, they corrupt. Russians corrupt. They built Nord Stream, all of that. They make Europe dependent on their gas. It was really bigger strategy. People that built that strategy, they thought about many years ahead. And at this moment, Europe will have problems because of that, because prices of oil and gas really huge. And even in Ukraine at this moment, the government warned us that this winter could be bad, especially if Russia will do airstrikes on electricity networks. That's why, for Europe, for all of that stuff, it could be bad, but still, US, it is completely different continent. And at this moment, a lot of people move their assets, move their wealth from Europe, from Russia, from all other places to the United States. Also, United States at this moment sell more oil to Europe than Russia. At this moment, well, more gas selling to Europe than Russia. Just imagine. That means for United States, I think the real winner in all this situation will be the United States. That's why, when a lot of retailers tell us that something won't happen, I don't believe in that stuff. I just don't believe. Sometimes I'm wrong, because honestly, I didn't believe that Russia would do invasion, because these 200,000 troops, they failed nearly Kiev. For their plans, it was too small. A lot of the people died. But United States will win a lot of stuff in all of this mess. Carlos, Phil, GMT, no war, GMT. Let's cover. Tell me about instruments that I should analyze. And also, friends, for all of you that watch this live, remember that below this live you can find our mini course for those of you that would like to learn this approach, how to scalp, make money. Only $7. It is really awesome lessons, how to start, what platforms to download, trading strategies, all of this. That's why have a look. First link, pinned first link, just open, buy this. My team will send to you all details. I promise to you that you will enjoy. And even if you, for example, there would be some questions, we do 7 days guarantee money back. If you will say that you read shit, we will give you money back, and that's it. That's why you can buy it with really free mind. Okay. Sometimes I speak about geopolitics. I don't know, is it good to speak about on this channel? Because there could be some people that pro-Russian. Carlos, no Mac? Oh no. What do you mean no Mac? No Mac. Ivan, Slava Ukraini. Thank you. Героям слава. Abdullah and Yuri, I feel sad for Ukraine, for war, and pray for Ukrainian people. I pray for this war should be end as soon as Russia when this is not ending. Thank you, Abdullah. Thank you, Abdullah. And war, it's like a time when you think really a lot about your family, your friends, and all of that stuff. And I helped quite a lot of people. At this moment, a lot of my friends war. They are on the front line, and I helped them with money, because at the beginning they were a real mess until real supply started. Okay, let's start this topic, because maybe there are some people that don't like to speak about this. Okay, once more, BNB still close to our size, and XLM is not moving. Carlos, you can download once more. I sent a link to a platform in a chat. You can download. They are working. Have a look. What do? I sent a link to this one. Download Tiger Trade for. I sent you a link. And what do? Instead of Windows, you do Tiger Trade for Mac. That's it. You write email. At this moment, Tiger team, they working on their Mac version, and so it will be soon. And people that opened with like use our link, and I can discuss with them that you can do one of back testers, and that's it. By the way, they only one company on the planet that I know at this moment that working on Mac solution, and team that works this, they also from Ukraine, and they do like in Kiev. BTC. Okay, some of you ask me about how to do BTC settings, and let's open, because Jen told me that BTC we have big size. Let's open BTC. Okay, BTC chart. Let's do BTC settings for all of you. I will share that. All of you that would like to watch BTC settings, you can see all of this. Okay. Big size. This 560, 2360, 560. Honestly, it is not the really big size for BTC. It's like 50-50. Like in some cases price bounce from this size, in some cases not. For BTC, it's important not only big size. For BTC also, it's so important to see a pattern of technical analysis. And like I personally wouldn't trade it, because have a look. 560, how we can trade 560 if average volume in 5 minutes candle 1,400. That means for average 5-minute candle in 2, 3, and sometimes 5 times bigger than a size that we would like to trade. That means the risk of breakout really big. It's like it's risky. This idea really risky. Some of you ask me about DOM settings on Bitcoin. Should I share it with you or not? Remind to me who asked me that. Roy, Yuri, what leverage do you use in your trading? Man, I have enough money. Ivan, and what's your working deposit? On exchange, I have 30K, and I have additional savings if I will need to buy some coins on spot. Like my working 30K deposit, guys, with 30K deposit, if I use 10x leverage, it is 300K working size for scalping. It's really a lot. Honestly, I use really small leverage, 2x, 5x, and it's only because I have enough money. For beginners, if you have $100 on your account, you will need to use bigger size, and that's okay. Okay, Binance futures. I ML them because it doesn't work with Max, KuCoin or BitGet. Carlos, no, it doesn't work with those exchanges. It works only with Binance, Bybit. By the way, we have offer for people that open account on, for example, Bybit with our link. If you open with our link, you can get access to our crypto community for free. If you will do trades on that account, that would be minimum volume like 10,000 per month. It's really easy to do this size. Even today I traded bigger size, and you can be for free, where we share, for example, with our community, we share DOM trades that we took. On every day I share DOM trades. Also we do often live meetings when people come. We do analysis on daily basis, all of this stuff. That's why you can consider this if you once more Binance or Bybit. It is two exchanges that we cooperate. Have a look what's going on with BNB. Pay attention what's going on, friends, with BNB. 1,300, 1,000, 2,000. It's quite often not bad for a bounce. Okay, BNB close. BNB is 0.3% from big size. That could be potential bounce. XLM, my friend. Pump. Last two streams, all trades hit take profit. Are we lucky enough that there would be a gain or not? No one knows. Only time will show. The new big order on XLM. 1153. Okay, XLM, you mean spot market? Because once more, remember that big size appears on two different markets. It appears on a spot and it appears on a futures market, and there's a big difference between two sides. Fabio, how are you? How is your mood? Tiger, do not walk. Okay, remove. Report. Yeah, guys, you think you will do this shit here? Now have a look. Remember that for some of you I told that pay attention, friends. That's good that we close at least part of our position on XLM, and price really slowly coming back. I wish there would be like rise, but pay attention how that's example for you how you should read price action. Price action, significant volume at breakout but no result, and pull back. My friend, I will cover all Instagram messages after live. I hope you understand this, because I would like to be focused. And if some of you friends have any personal business, you also can follow me on Instagram. It is a place where I reply personally. It's like my personal social media, because YouTube, all other stuff, I have teams that helps me, team of people, and here you can do private stuff. Okay. Friends, what else we should analyze? Let's do this coin. Okay. That's why about Bitcoin once more. Bitcoin is in the middle of this channel. Honestly, at this moment, it is the worst time to open a trade, because like yesterday, big size appeared, we took a trade, price beautifully rising. Like, I'm not a guy that I can give you a direction for whole entire, like, many days, because when we trade, approaches that we use, they work only in some period of times. They don't work like 100% every time. Like big sizes does not appear every day, And also big size in DOM, it must be together with powerful technical analysis. And in that case, it really works. And in that case, I share it with people. And at this moment, once more, Bitcoin broke this local trend line. This trend is still up. This trend is still up, and reasons for trend change, global reasons, volume significant. Like we have significant volume here, exactly at high. Yes, that volume significant. But without even some clear pattern, I would not recommend to take any short, because at this moment we don't have pattern to take even shorts. That's why better to follow momentum. That's it. If, for example, pay attention on this trend line. If price bounce from this trend line, there could be additional beautiful rise. If price do squeezing and big size appears for down, we will take short. That's it. For people that do long-term investing, you need to do a little bit different approaches. And even in our community, we have Greenwich. It is my team developed that. It is the Greenwich indicators that team provides for people that invest in crypto for a large period of time. And this stuff, it shows one of the best signals for long-term investors. You can read on TradingView about this. Lacinda, hello, my mood is good. Question: do you do money management? Depends on what's your what's amount of money you are talking about. For me, what is really interesting for me, I cooperate with investors for a big period of time, and what I understand. First, for me, it's important that investors, when they join venture, oh my God, friends, BNB, it looks I missed BNB. Have a look, price very close to big size. Fuck. For me, it's important when investor join, like give money in the management, it is not lost money, because trading, it is a risky stuff, and it's not good to trade when some person wrote to you every few weeks and ask, did you trade or something like that. I can go into mountains and I remember one guy from Saudi Arabia, and he gave, we were walking 200K, and I told him, okay, man, I go into mountains, I will not trade for 1 week. And 5 days passed, he write to me, okay, but Yuri, there's no trades. Man, I'm in mountains, but you have phone. I don't trade from phones. Like, there were really funny stories. And after, when I came back from mountains, again, I didn't trade additional few days because like in mountains, when you walk a lot, it's difficult after that to start walking exactly like from Monday, and it takes additional few days to rest. And again, I didn't work additional days, and he just withdrew money. I don't like such kind of people. I need people that you put like 10% of your capital, it's not big for you, and it's interesting for me to manage. In that cases, we can discuss. Lashinda, no, 10,000, not even interesting. Coin, do you still hold your bitcoins? BitDAO means. No, my friend, I closed with loss. In our community, I wrote to people, I closed with loss, and I sold it way before all that crash. At the end of November, 95% of my crypto were in USDT and stable coins before crash. Okay. Yes, Lucinda, 100k it's minimum, and possibility increased to at least 1 millions, and that's not the last money must be. Only in that case I will agree to cooperate with some person. In other cases, like when I will open fund, when I'll be able to accumulate accounts together, only in that case it will be interesting, because for me, like for scalping, I need 100k of my own money, and for me it will be enough, because exchange gives 20x leverage. 20x leverage. That means I can open a trade with 2 millions. And for scalping, there's not a lot of coins that you can trade with such size, honestly. Friends, we still keep XLM. I would be so happy if XLM start rising again from ashes. At this moment, pay attention what's going on XLM. At this moment at bottom, volume also slowly started to increase. That means some people that took breakout at this moment, their break-evens taken, for example. Scalpers that took breakout, their stop loss is taken. But we are really smarter people, because we took bounce from a size. We didn't trade technical analysis. Pure technical analysis. We use technical analysis, but we use it with some tools that most of retails don't know. And at peak, from a size, price bounced by 1%. Like it bounced, but it's not enough for us to make money. Okay, let's do some questions, guys. Let's do some questions for all of you, especially those of you that do not understand some topics. For me, it's really important that all of you at this moment will share with me if you have difficulties with some topics. I will be happy to explain to you some stuff that I can share with you for free. Okay, let's do some other coins. TRX, have a look. TRX bounced from this size at 1730, 3,700,000 coins. Let's do some technical analysis at this moment, because as you can see, XLM at this moment fighting, and it's good that it's fighting for our future. But we need additional ideas that we can take at this moment. And for that additional ideas, I need something. 2022. RLC. You can check ETC. Okay, let's do. Okay, Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic, pay attention on this significant volume increase. It means coins, this coin someone pump really seriously, and this coin even far stronger than whole entire crypto market. And what's the reason behind that, I don't know, and I don't need to know, because for us far more important it is price action and technical analysis. Also again additional volume increase, but they failed to rise. Have a look, price did this local trend line breakdown, but the trend line breakdown failed, and people that try to take this beautiful short, they failed. And there could be potentially there could be some additional rise, but what's the problem of this coin? That it's already pumped a lot, and I would take a trade if there would be significant size in DOM, spot or futures market, because in that case our risk reward would be really awesome. That's why it looks long. It's risky at this moment to take long. That's it. If you would like, you can take, but for me it's risky to take at this moment long on this coin. BNB breaking out. Yes, I see that BNB breaking, and I forgot to take BNB, like I missed. If some of you took BNB long, I really happy. XLM also, pay attention. If XLM breaks this level, that could be a beautiful pump. Let's see. I would be happy if XLM pump, because I want to be on this stream until we book biggest part of profit on XLM. Only after that I will be able to get sleep with happy soul, with understand that you friends made money and all of you happy and I happy. XLM pump, yes, it's slowly pumping, and that's good. At this moment, once more I remind to you, I think for some of you it's like you always remind about subscribe, but still friends, I ask you to subscribe to this channel. It's important for us, and especially if you push like, subscribe and turn on the bell. YouTube sees that this channel good, and YouTube promote content to other people, and that's really important for us. Especially if you watch this stream first time, do this, because you will get notification about future lessons that will help you learn all of these topics, all of this stuff, and it will help you do scalps and make money on this. Miners going from ETH to ETC. Yes, it's possible. EOS, big size. Let's cover EOS. Proof of stake. Proof of stake is going to happen soon. About EOS, friend, when you ask about big sizes, please write what market you watch. No, there is no big size on EOS. Let's cover some coins again. Maybe I will cover on another screen. I have additional screens, because at this moment let's pay attention to what's going on with our coins that we have, that we trade. What else? That means once more Ethereum Classic, potential additional rise, but at this moment I didn't find any size in DOMs that I would like to take a trade. If significant size appears, I will tell you to take a trade. ETC USDT. If some of you like ETC, at this moment you can take even some risky trade, some risky scalping trade, for example, like long at this moment with stop loss below this tail. If whole market will pump, ETC also could pump, for example, with a goal like 3-4%, just just to try. But once more, it's risky. It's if you would like to do it, it's only for fun. If you don't have a trade and you like your arms tells you, I need to open a trade, I need to open a trade. Okay. Is there any additional size that we would like to trade? If about Ethereum, let's cover. About Ethereum, some of you asked me to analyze it. Pay attention to what's going on. Significant size exactly at bottom. Again, significant size exactly at bottom. Before starting rise, again significant size exactly at bottom. Whales build significant position on ETH, and at this moment ETH rising, and that's the reason why I think there could be potential additional rise on ETH. Also pay attention to this indicator. It's really important indicator. It calls volume profile. It shows to us area where biggest volume traded. When you look at volume, you see this one. It is a vertical volume. This one, it is horizontal. It calculates volumes that traded at each price in this area. And pay attention how some people build significant position. And at this moment, what's going on? Another additional size, this one. And if price breaks this, there could be additional beautiful rise, because next important resistance on ETH. Where is the next significant resistance? Oh, next real significant resistance, significant. It is this level. It is level 1976 and 2300. It is next really significant resistance from which price could make some significant pullback. That's why it's really interesting. And at this moment, I would better recommend you to follow this local cycle only in a case when ETH and BTC would make some rise. After that, they would start making some traps. And only after that we can trade some trend line breakdown. But still we need more volume at highs. For example, only at this moment finally appeared this stuff. When ETH do re-high and significant volume appeared exactly on re-high. We need more of such stuff, like 4 or 5 times because for whales it is opportunity to sell their coins at high. And we need more of this stuff for trend change. And even Nancy Pelosi flew nearly China and Taiwan, and crypto market didn't crash. That means crypto market honestly doesn't care about, does not care much about all of this. FIL. About FIL, let's cover FIL USDT. About FIL, this coin already pumped after this significant range breakout. And the most important question, will price go on this up cycle? In what cases it would be really better to open a trade? At this moment, after such breakout and big rise, honestly, it is a little bit risky to trade simple breakouts that most of the people taught and learn in some schools. Honestly, it could be really bad. That's why what would be much better if there would be some bear traps. For example, after some real low, after that case, it would be much better to take a trade. At this moment, plus in significant volumes. We don't have any significant volume for support FIL. What about futures market? Also, like after this pump, we need some bear trap. Faraj, hello, I have downloaded a Tiger Trade platform, but there is a problem. That's why I want to check. My friend, what you should do with Tiger Trade. At this moment, you go to Tiger Trade support. It is their bot in Telegram. Their support. They have really good support teams that work 24/7, and don't force me to take their bread. Let them do their job. They will help you. Okay, what else? Unify also pump it. Really interesting. Why is this coin pumping? Waves, have a look also in this long accumulation. Interesting to see. There could be potential pump. IOTA also long accumulation. Quite a lot of coins dropped a lot, like DOT. It looks really beautiful. Huge volume, huge accumulation. If pay attention to this volume, if this volume, better to say when this volume breaks, there could be a significant rise. It could be even a good time to buy DOT on spot market for some profit, because have a look. Much better to buy after 88% drop than rise. Like DOT looks interesting to buy it on spot. Lanis, I'm on max, so I cannot use Tiger Trade yet. What would you suggest I do instead? Lanisha, at this moment you can watch our lessons on YouTube channel and learn how to use the strategies. And within like few weeks, Tiger Trade will announce Mac version, because honestly there is no other platforms on the planet that will allow you to trade through Mac. Because Tiger Trade, they are the best one, honestly. Please do UFI. This coin already pumped. There could be potential additional pump, but I would prefer to see some beautiful like trend line. Even this one, it is not beautiful. For trend line we need some volume at bottom, and after that trend line, that a time when we can take a trade. Like from technical analysis, at this moment there is nothing beautiful. About big size in DOM, for rise there also nothing at this moment. For drop UFI, for futures market also nothing good, nothing. The dog pound NG, friend, I just did what I just did. How many of you really interesting to learn scalping? How many of you would be interesting to learn this approach? AVAX, nothing. And futures, also there is no sizes. Friends, once more, remind to you what the best would be. Below this video you will find this one, our mini course, only $7. We prepared for you explanation to strategies, software that you need to use, all of this stuff. A lot of work put, a lot of lessons, only $7. We did it that it would be affordable in any places on the planet, even in poorest countries. That's why it is the best way for you to start, because to learn scalping and using DOM footprint, you need people that do it, and their whole step by step what you need to do. I think you understand that $7, it is not like personal mentoring. It is good for start, for what you need. Like start from this. Remember, we really confident in what we do. That's why you have 7 days guarantee and money back guarantee. If you would say that it is shit, it's okay. Like we will give your money back to you. That's why you have no risk and you have only a lot of stuff to gain. That's why join. About XLM. Pay attention that our XLM trade at this moment beautifully slowly squeezing, and XLM need pump. BNB. Did some of you took BNB scalp? Because honestly I didn't take. Price didn't reach big size exactly, and at this moment it is how much? 1.26% rise. Like not so much. That's why I didn't want to take it. If BNB gives you at least 2%, close the trade, because that's enough. For BNB it will be enough. Vitalpco compound. Okay, let's cover compound. About big sizes, is there any big size? Compound interesting from technical analysis perspective. From big size it says that there is nothing. In DOM there is nothing, only this one, but it is small. 2000 coins, $72. It is how much? It is 70,000, 140,000. It is not much. But what about technical analysis? But from technical analysis perspective, compound looks completely interesting, because pay attention on this significant volume increase. Pay attention. Pay attention how price bounce every low higher. Pay attention to this big volume build. I think breakout of this volume area. Pay attention. I think breakout of this volume area. I think breakout of this key level. Let me tell you, breakout exactly this key level 63. Could start rise, especially if Bitcoin remains bullish. This one could make some pump even to 100, something like that. But there must be one condition: Bitcoin remains bullish. Only in that case this coin will pump, and can pump a lot, because have a look after, if you see that after 97% drop from all-time high, oh my god, a lot of pain, especially for people that bought it high. If after something like this you see that price drops by 97% and significant volume appears exactly at bottom, that's a time when people that bought here, they sell their coins with massive loss, and some people build huge position. That means possibility of rise even to this area is really big. And compare to that area, like to this, it's 200%. Like it definitely worth to consider this trade. But at this moment, like you can buy it on spot market, because there's still on a spot market there's really small chance that it will go more down, and even there would be some volatility, you won't lose your trade. Because for futures, we need a clear and beautiful entry. Okay, friends, let me close BNB. At this moment, we don't have on BNB anything beautiful. That means what I would like to do, let's remove BNB because I didn't take it. And let's focus only on our XLM trade, because that's only one trade that we took today. I thought today there would be more trades. Have a look. XLM at this moment approach to this key level, volume increasing, order flow also increasing. That's really good. Let's see. Let's see. I did UFI already. I did UFI. ZIL. I would say this coin beautiful, but after such a pump and dump, I don't like coins that do something like this, pump and dump. Maybe it's still really interesting, but the biggest volume traded at high, and I would try to take a trade after this breakup, because whole entire market rising, but they even fail to guys, those of you that took BNB, remember, those of you that took BNB, BNB at this moment 1.57% rise. If you took BNB, it's time to book at least half of your position, 50%. Book 50% of your position and set take profit at 307. At 307, set take profit. That's it. Also good idea. Let's check scalper top. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Let's give it some time. What is the leverage you think better for scalping strategy? Faraj, it depends. Write your account size and I will tell you what's really good leverage for your situation. Everything depends on next condition. First, what's your experience? If you're a beginner, you need to use small leverage. You don't need to put all your entire account. Second, do you know even what's risk per day and risk per position? Do you know what this statement means? If you know and use it, you can use bigger leverage. If you don't know, it's forbidden for you to use even leverage. First, what you must learn, how to use platform. Second, you learn what's risk management, money management, what's your working volume, all of that stuff. And only after that you build with leverage. It's the same like you learn how to drive a car. For a start, you learn basics, what's in a car, what's engine, what's vehicle, all of this stuff. After that, you learn rules. For example, driving rules that you, like in Europe, in Ukraine, you drive from the right side. If you see a red light, you don't drive. If people walk through a street, you stop, you don't crash them. Like, you learn basics. After that, you go to driving school, you try test driving. After test driving, you learn how to drive, you try to pass exam. After passing exam, you slowly drive, and only after some years, 1-2 years, you become a driver. Like it takes time. The same here. Depends what is your current step. On what step at this moment you are. Share with me. SXP. Oh, Iwaiwa, happy to see you here. Because I forgot to SXP futures. SXP 390,000 coins. What about SXP? Fuck. Let's cover what could be potentially on SXP. Because if BTC, while if BTC continues squeezing and breaks, SXP will also breaks. That's why let's open this. Okay, at what price? Also, it is not 43.8. 43.8. This one. 79, 60, 18. In normal cases, it's a good idea to take bounce, because pay attention to this volume, 5 minutes volume. This cluster, 38,000, 61, 79. In normal cases, honestly, it's a good idea to take bounce, but have a look, price already bounced before size. Price already bounced, and like our trade idea from bounce from a size, we already missed it. Let's pay attention. But thank you, my friends, that you share the size. It will be, let's see how it played out. I don't like situations when it is like this one. I think you would understand me when we look that Bitcoin should do additional rise, some breakup, something like that. When Bitcoin bullish, when Bitcoin bounced from trend line, all of this. And like during that time, I do not like to take shorts. I would be happy to take short if, for example, Bitcoin would do some rise to this area, and I understand there could be some pullbacks, and whole market also would do pullback. During that time, it would be really interesting to take. Faraj, you use fixed leverage 10-15x, my friend. If you use fixed leverage, that means you have really small experience. What's your, Faraj, what's your risk per day? Tell me, please, what's your risk per day? What's your risk per position? Are you scalper or you a swing trader? And do you understand what this means? Risk per day, risk per position. If you don't understand all of this basic stuff, that means, my friend, and if I will have a look, volume in this cluster increasing. If there would be, for example, few hundred, if there would be additional, for example, 200-300, that would be even better to trade breakout. It is 48. The additional few minutes for this one. Crystal Wa, hello from Mexico. Hello, my friend. Hello, hello, hello. Faraj, it is like I ask you these questions because I won't help you and won't understand your level. And like platform, it's important to know how to use platform, how to push bottoms, but it is only a tool. It won't make you money. And money management, it is essential. Doesn't matter what strategy you will use, but you need solid money management. That's why what I can tell you, my dear friend, you need to learn how to do it properly. And I highly recommend you to join our mini course for beginners, because there are a lot of lessons about money management, how to start. It is how to start recommendation for beginners. It is not like full mentoring 1 year. I think you understand for $7, but you need to learn that. You need to learn money management. It's like even this stuff, DOM, footprint, bounce it from size, it's a bullshit. If you don't know how to control your risk, all of this meaningless. It's the same if you drive a car and you don't know on what side you should be, left or right. I'm in UK or I'm in Ukraine. Here, left or right? Left or right? Just do it. It's like, from bottom of my heart, I highly recommend it to you. Friends, BNB rose. BNB already rose and nearly at target, but our beautiful XLM, have a look, BNB already rose nearly 2%, but our beautiful XLM still remains calm. I want XLM pump. I want to go to sleep. I want to I want to help people make money and with pure soul go to sleep. Vitalco compound, let's cover compound. Let's check. We are checking. No, my friends, there is no significant size that close to current price. Sizes at on Coinbase or on FTX is not interesting for us. And there also is no size on FTX. No. Hi Biko, QScalp Plus trading light is enough for your strategy. Why using Tiger Trade on top? Kate, I use Tiger Trade. Cscalp. I use Cscalp only for 1 month to record a tutorial for people. That's it. I did it only for members of community and for like a lot of people ask me a free platform. Why Tiger Trade? A lot of reasons. First reasons, it is a beautiful chart where you can see all trades. You can add a lot of different indicators that you need. You can see all data from DOM, like DOM on Tiger Trade on Cscalp is limited. Footprint on Tiger Trade, I can load any day at any time. I can see history of this stuff. That means this stuff like footprint on Cscalp, only when you open a Cscalp and it record history of footprint. When you close, it delete it. And other stuff on Tiger Trade, you can use this simulator stuff. Connections. You can open simulator and that would be the same DOM, all of the stuff, but you like demo account for DOM trading. Really awesome for beginners. That's why also for people that, for example, you are from US and you cannot trade Binance and you like bought account or something like that, and if Binance find your IP, your account will be banned. What you can do by connecting any account, you can add proxy server and your IP will be different. That's why like a lot of reasons, but still for beginners, Cscalp is enough. For beginners, Cscalp is enough. I hope Kate or Kite, I hope this answer is good enough for you. I don't see a size on compound. I don't know what are you talking. Are you talking about compound? Okay, compound futures. Compound futures. 59.31. I have data from Binance. My friends, there is no size. This one, 2,000 coins, 2,300. Okay, let's 2,300 multiplied by 59. Ooh, not bad. Honestly, it's not bad. I thought, oh, 2,000 is not bad for compound. No, there is no one limit order that exists for some period of time. No, 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 no. Friends, for all of you, I would like to tell you that we are going to introduce offer. Those of you that would like to be members of our community. Some people making money during streams, like BNB trade. A member of our community took a trade. I like this. Soon, have a look. We have a community where we share with people a lot of stuff, help with trades, a lot of live meetings in a Discord where we do live preparations together, where I share significant trades, significant volume, all of this stuff, help people. And those of you that would like to be members of community, also have a look. Signals that we take our trades, like this XLM trade, exactly in a moment when I took it, first place where I sent it, it's here. Also my team shares scalping trades, all of this stuff, fundamental analysis, Bitcoin analysis. Those of you, soon we will do offers. Those of you that will open account on exchange, Binance or Bybit, you'll be able to join for free. There only will be one condition: you will need to trade on that account. Those people that will be not active, we will delete from community. Like you don't pay to us, exchange pay fee to us, you receive trade ideas for free that will help you, and we also get referrals from exchange when you do trades. That's it. I think it's mutual benefit because like we are interesting to give you a lot of value to do really awesome stuff, because when you trade and make money, you trade really for a long period of time. And those of you that interested in that offer, what you do at this moment, you should follow me on Instagram and direct message to me. I will send you all links, and I will send you all information what you need to do. If you're interested, just open this account, Yuri, and direct message to me, and I will send you all info. Okay, we have additional the scalper tab. How many of you know how to use the scalper tab? B and X. What's the beauty of the service? It helps us looking for significant levels, trend lines, all of this stuff instead of us. Okay, let's do 4-minute levels, 4-hour levels. Ooh, hot. Friends, said we didn't open it a few minutes before. Have a look what's going on. Big range breakout. At this moment it's a little bit late. Okay, let's go to another coins. Near, once more near, breakout traders. Pay attention to near trend line. Maybe if there would be some significant size in DOM, we can take a trade even before breakout. It would be even much better. Okay, let's how much we have here? 33, 50. Okay, let's do the settings. On spot market, nothing interesting. What about futures? Near I see people leaving, friends, at this moment. Near major reason why I like it, because pay attention to this price really before this range, important range, and near futures. Let's add it to have a look on this slowly squeezing up. It's really powerful stuff. I think near a big possibility for a pump. If some of you interested in near, it could be even a good time to buy it on spot market, because it is really, have a look where biggest volume built exactly at bottom. It's really good. What about near? A lot of levels. There only one problem, that there could be, for example, some trap, additional rise, and only after that pump. That's the biggest problem to take a trade as a breakout, because like it would be really good if there would be some significant size in a dominant footprint for support, but there is no that size. That's really sad. But if that size would appear, for us, it would be a perfect opportunity to take a trade. Okay, let's go to other coins. Near, beautiful. All of you should pay attention to near. Ooh, EGLD. It's like a god sent us EGLD. EGLD. Let's cover EGLD. Friends, I see we are 4 hours here, 2 hours here. Is that okay for all of you? EGLD USDT. Have a look. Beautiful squeezing. What about maybe the EGLD USDT? Is there any size on the spot? They just broke these two sizes, 3 sizes on spot. That's really good. Really good. Okay, let's open. EGLD looks even better compared to other coins. SXP with big chance will break. The size, volume increased, pay attention. Volume increased, I don't want to take this bounce. EGLD USDT. EGLD USDT. You can just buy. If you have Binance account, you can simply buy Discord community. Like EGLD USDT. Plus, it's also okay if you pay by real money. What about volume? Who would like to take a GOD breakout, huh? Friends? Biggest volume traded here and at bottom. It's really interesting. It's really interesting. Honestly, this one even better to buy on spot, because such breakout, such long accumulation, it's really a rare situation. And if this breakout happens of this, that could be a beautiful rise. For scalping, I would be preferred to take long if there would be a significant size as support. In that case, I would be happy to take long based on DOM foot, like for scalping. Zubar, no, not yet. There's no big. My dear Italian friend, honestly, about EGLD at this moment, it's let's cover once more, friends. I'm not fundamental analyst, and remember that most of the crypto minus 92%. Honestly, at this moment, good. What would be a strategy? Strategy is simple. You buy at this prices, and if price rise, for example, to $102, you sell 50% of your position. You are out of any risk, and after that, if coins rise, make money. If not, you don't care. You're without risk. The same with DOT. Pay attention what's going on with DOT. Kava, AVAX, a lot of coins at this moment at really at bottom build long accumulations, and it's really near even interesting, because compared to many other coins, near even didn't do a real low. That means near are even stronger compared to many other projects. Have a look. Minus 85%. How can I do this? Not to write to you on Instagram. You mean if you want to buy, you can write to me in Instagram. I will give contact of my team, or like one moment, I will give you a contact of my team. Where's my Thomas? It is our sales. It is our sales manager. Let me. Me slash good. Write to Thomas if you would like to join our community or education program. Write to Thomas if you already have accounts on exchanges. If you don't have, like, Thomas will help with all this kind of questions. Write to him, because it is his responsibility. Don't force me to take his food, his bread. Have a look what's going on with this one. When this one will start moving up? Tell me, please, guys. Like, BNB rose already. I didn't took BNB. I'm in XLM and the shit is not rising. Like, it's not good. I don't like this game, such games. It's really sad, because if Bitcoin will do any kind of drop, there could be some even relow, a retest to VWAP. Sad. I hope a lot of you book part of position to be out of any risk. maybe a retest, yes, maybe retest of trend line. Friends, remind to all of you, it's important to push like, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy what we share with you. Those of you that watch this lesson first time, such scalping session, what I highly recommend you to do, below this video, there a first lesson from which I highly recommend you to start. DOM and footprint explained, best tool for scalping and swing trading. Start with this lesson. After that, go to our YouTube channel, Bigger Trading, and there will be a whole playlist about scalping by DOM. A lot of lessons, tutorials, all of this stuff. Soon I will record a few free lessons about strategies that we use. That's the best what you can do, and it's for free. For those of you that have like, you don't want to pay money to someone, that's it. And that's it. And join our channels, join links that I shared with you, because remember that when I do trading, I share free signals. Those of you that like free alerts, even today, like on XLM, in our Telegram channel, I share it for free. Until 10,000 people, we will share it for free. After that, we will do, I think, we will allow people that open account on exchanges by our links to join this stuff. That's why you still have possibility to join. And I think, friends, we should finish this live, because it is already more than 2.5 hours, and all my family is going to sleep. I need to rest. And if you have any questions, you can save those questions below this live meeting, and I will reply to your comments. When we finish live, there will be a possibility to write comments below video, not in a chat. And you can write any questions, and I promise to you that when I will sleep, rest, and have time, like 1-2 days, I will reply to you personally. That's it. That's why thank you for your time. Remember that on next Wednesday, with 99% possibility, we will also do such live. That's why see you in 1 week. And about this XLM trade, all updates I will continue in this free channel. That's it. Thank you for your time, friends. Bye. 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 Bye.